Welcome! In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to change the Telegram app icon on your phone in just a few simple steps. If you like customizing your apps or just want a fresh new look for Telegram, this feature is definitely worth checking out. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines. This will open up Telegram's main menu, where you can access different settings and features. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options Telegram offers, including notifications, privacy settings, and appearance controls. Once you're inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section allows you to personalize how Telegram looks and feels, including themes, text size, and more. Now scroll down until you find the App Icon section. Here, Telegram gives you a selection of different icon styles to choose from. Depending on your version and whether you're using Telegram Premium, you may see multiple designs, including classic, minimal, or themed icons. Simply tap on the icon you like, and it will instantly apply to your app. You can go back to your home screen to see the new icon in action. That's it. No complicated steps, no extra downloads, just a built-in feature that lets you customize your app in seconds. If you enjoy personalizing your apps, this is a great way to make your phone feel more unique. And if you ever want to switch it back, just repeat the same steps and pick a different icon. Give it a try and make Telegram match your style perfectly.